Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone is having a great day today. Here in Northwest Georgia, the temperature is about 82 degrees right now. We do have some clouds that's passing over, so it's not quite as hot as it has been, but
Right.
it's forecast to get on up into the 90s this afternoon, so I know it's going to be a hot one. But Marie and I, we're wanting to do something. For the last 2 weeks, we went to fast food restaurants and we picked up their value meal. So how have you been liking this little experiment, Marie?
Oh, I really enjoyed it, and it gives everyone an opportunity that hasn't tried them to see if they're interested in trying some of the value meals that we've tried. And I had never tried Checkers before, but so far they're my number one right now, value meal.
I think I'll agree with you. Checkers is definitely better than the McDonald's. McDonald's is good, but Checkers was best. So today we're going to go to Wendy's, and it's called a Biggie meal at Wendy's, and I believe it's $5. So we're going to go give that a try, and we're going to go to one of the little parks around town somewhere to set up.
And hopefully we can get one that has a cover over it, because it looks like our picnic may be a little rainy occasion. But maybe these clouds will just blow over. But we actually really need some rain. It's been a while since we've had some.
Yeah, we could use some rain to cool things off and to water the grass. Our yards is just burn up from the heat.
Yeah, almost looks like we live in Texas.
Okay. If you're ready, Marie, we'll head on up to Wendy's and go ahead and pick up our meal.
My stomach is ready.
Okay, we'll see you when we get to Wendy's. Yeah, that's a 2-burger meal deal. We don't want that one. We hadn't been to Wendy's in a long time, so we'll have to find out what they got.
Good morning, Wendy. How are you?
I'm doing good. Do y'all have the? Do y'all still have the Biggie meal deals?
We do.
Okay, are they $5 each?
We have 5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7. Let's see. Okay, I don't see them on the sign.
Asked him what's in the 5.
I will look to the right at the bottom.
Oh, okay, I see them over there. Okay. Okay, this is what I want to get then. I want to get one of the $5 deals with the crispy chicken. And the sign says you do not have lettuce today.
We do not have what, sir?
Do y'all have lettuce to put on it? Okay. And then I want to get the $5 junior bacon cheeseburger deal.
What's the drink?
Do y'all have Coke Zero?
We do.
Okay, both of them Coke Zero.
You said Coke and the Coke Zero?
No, both of them will be Coke Zero.
All right, and your dipping sauce?
Sir?
Your dipping sauce?
Barbecue sauce.
All right, is that all for you?
That'll be all.
All right, it's for today.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Oh, why don't they have lettuce?
They're just out of lettuce.
Okay, we just came out of Wendy's, and they said they didn't have any lettuce. And so I noticed the other day when I went to Aldi's, the lettuce was $2 a head, so it had definitely went up. And so I don't know if that has anything to do with it or not, or if they are just out of lettuce. But anyway, that right there is already a strike against them for me because I love lettuce on my hamburger, but I so I'm not going to be able to really give it a good evaluation without the lettuce. But anyway, we will give you our final evaluation of the meal when we go to Midway Park, and that's where we're headed right now. And so far it's very cloudy, so I hope it doesn't rain on us. But anyway, I'm not complaining, y'all. I'm just stating the facts. So here we go, and we'll get back with you in a couple of minutes.
Okay, we decided to come over here to the Midway Park. There's no one here today, and it's real pretty, and we're here in the shade, but the wind is blowing just a little bit. So let us get set up right quick, and we'll get our food out and see what we got. Okay, we've got our food out. It is a little windy today, but that's not bad. I've got the chicken sandwich, and it's a nice looking piece of chicken in there. It does have mayonnaise on it, but no lettuce today. Got the chicken nuggets, they look good. The French fries and some barbecue sauce. And there's my drink. And the drink is a good sized drink for a small drink, so I'm happy with that.
This is my hamburger. It's got a tomato on it and bacon. It looks very delicious, minus the lettuce though. You know, I have some French fries. They look really good, and the nuggets look good. And I've already tasted one of the French fries, and they're delicious.
And we brought with us, this is a fan that one of our viewers sent us, and we're going to show it on Sunday Chat, but we brought it just in case we need it to get rid of the flies. But the wind is blowing so good right here that I don't think we're going to have to worry about the flies too much. Do you, Marie?
No.
And I don't think the flies are bad over here anyway, but if you look out behind me, it's a nice open field out through there, and we're up on top of the hill, so the wind blows pretty strong here in this area all the time. Okay, we're going to start eating, and we'll let you know how we like the meal when we get through. Dear Lord Jesus, we thank you for this food, and we thank you for all the blessings you give us each and every day. Amen. When the wind's blowing hard like that, it can be rough on your microphone because it's right in the wind.
Yeah. Was you going to cut it in half?
Do you want me to?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we decided we're going to do what we did last week, and we're going to cut the burgers in half, and each one of us gets to try both burgers. Okay, Marie, there's half of my chicken sandwich. I can cut it over there.
Our first fly showed up.
Oh, there is a fly, isn't there? Mm-hmm. Okay. That burger looks pretty good right there, Marie. I like how that looks. And here's a cross section of the chicken sandwich. That's a good thick piece of chicken there, so that should be good. And for the heck of it, I'll turn this fan on and just see what it does. I was reading about it, and it says that it has, the way the little blades are made, that it's supposed to have something that reflects and makes the flies leave. So we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna try chicken sandwich first.
And we thank our subscriber that sent us that.
Thumbs up on the chicken sandwich, Marie. You've got to try that. That chicken is very good, much better than McDonald's. That is a good piece of chicken.
Yes, it is.
Let me try this bacon cheeseburger. Now, several of our viewers told us to try these. They thought we'd like these better.
I can't really distinguish which one I like the best because they're both so good.
They are good.
Yes. So far, I like the taste, even though it's minus the lettuce. I like the taste of both of these better than McDonald's.
Yeah. Well, definitely this chicken is good. I'm going to go ahead and eat all this chicken first before I eat the burger.
Also, Checkers has a really good burger also. But I still think that I like this one the best on the burgers, comparing it to Checkers.
Yeah, this is the first one that had the tomato on it.
And comparing it to McDonald's, I like this one the best on the burgers.
French fries are pretty good.
And the chicken, all the way around, I like it better than the Wendy's chicken better than I do any of the other chickens.
Okay, I'm going to try one of their chicken nuggets. No sauce. I'm just going to try it and see how I like it.
Okay, I will too. Very good. The
They
chicken.
actually have a good chicken nugget, don't they?
So I would say,
I'm liking this meal.
yeah. I think this right here is the winner so far, don't you, on the value meal?
Very good. Okay, we're going to turn our camera off and we're going to enjoy our meal. And when we get through, we'll give you a final view on it. Okay, I'm finished with my meal. It was very delicious. I ate everything except for the French fries and only ate that many fries. But the chicken was really delicious. I loved it. We're still having to fight the flies just a little bit. This may have helped some, but there has been 3 flies that's coming in here bothering us. Marie, how'd you like your meal?
It was really good. I enjoyed it. I liked the taste of the chicken. I really thought it was the best chicken of McDonald's versus Wendy's. And the part that I liked the best about Checkers, though, was that they had an apple pie, and their hamburger was really good too. So let me see now, which one do I like the best out of all of them? I think I'm going to have to go with Wendy's because of the meat and everything. Even though they didn't have the lettuce, their quality of their food tasted so much better to me.
Yeah, the chicken was extremely good. I think if my choice between the 3 locations, I think I'm going to go with Checkers. I still think Checkers was best because I like the fact that they had the apple pie to go with the meal, and their burger was a really good burger, and their French fries was the best French fries of all of them. So, but whichever one, if you choose Checkers or McDonald's or the Wendy's, either one of them 3, it's a good deal for the money. And this cost us $10.70. If we had wanted to, Marie, we could have went and just got one meal for $5.35, and we could have hyped it, and it would be a good small meal because for me to eat all this would be too much food for me. And so that's how I feel about it. Next week, Marie, I think that we will go to I think that Arby's has a $7 deal, and we'll try to check that one out next week. And if any of you have already tried the Arby's meal deal, let us know how you feel about it and what you recommend. We had quite a few people that told us how good Wendy's was going to be, and they were right. It was really good. They definitely have the best tasting chicken.
Also, Wendy's has a $7 meal.
Yeah, I didn't mention that, did I? But on the sign, it had a $5 meal, $6, and $7. So we just went for the $5 meal. Okay, Marie, I enjoyed today. It was actually fun, and I've been enjoying going out and getting these little meals. And so if you're ready, we'll go ahead and clean up our mess, and we'll head on home. And I'll let you close this video out. I hope everyone enjoyed watching our videos on this little series, and we'll do at least 1 or 2 more before we quit.
Okay, and so me and Kevin had a great time on our little picnic. The experience around here is really nice. It's wooded, and it's like being in nature. We're under like a pavilion, and it's not very hot, and there's not too many flies either. And I'm not complaining about the flies, but you expect to be out in nature, and there'll be some flies. And but anyway, I had a great little time on our little picnic experiences that we've been having, and I can't wait to start it again next week. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
They have a real nice grill here. And then there's another pavilion down there with about 4 tables. There's 6 tables here. And then, let me walk over here. Someone else left 2 bottles of water sitting on the picnic table here. I don't know why they did that, but we're gonna leave them there. And there's the playground for the kids to play on. And then over there they got basketball courts. There's some tennis courts right behind that big tree. And then in the distance over there, there's a couple of baseball fields. So this is a nice little park here, and it's probably less than a mile away from our house. And we parked up there in the shade under that one little tree there. But it's a pretty nice place. And Marie, I've just enjoyed sitting here. After we cleaned up, I've just enjoyed sitting here with the breeze blowing, haven't you? Mm-hmm. It's real nice. I bet you come over here late in the evening, right before dark, and sit here with the breeze blowing, coming from this direction, and it would be real nice, wouldn't it?
You could probably even see deer.
Oh yeah, I know there's deer here because I've seen them before.
Mm-hmm. I know there's deer that comes in our backyard because they love to eat our garden when we had one.
I call you up in the middle of the night, been bothered by dreams, ain't feeling alright. You give me comfort, say just give it some time. By the end of our talk, I'm feeling just fine. You and I will always know where we belong. This ain't no ordinary